Hi, it's Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media, and I have Abdul from Washington University here with me in the studio, who has just finished Education Day. Welcome, Abdul.
Thank you very much, Leslie. It's nice to see me here, and it's a wonderful day for me. I'm very excited to be here. I mean, I've connected a lot of my peers and also industry experts, and it's a game changer for me.
Is this the first time you've been to Breakbulk Americas?
Actually, yes, I tried it when I was in Ghana working at Freight Consult because I really wanted to be part of this team, but I didn't get my visa at the time. But
Yeah.
now I'm in America. I'm a permanent resident here and pursue my master's in education at Washington University, Alden Business School. I thought it wise to give it a shot the second time, and here you go. You said, "Come on in." I'm like, "Oh, I'm taking this opportunity. I'm not missing on that."
Yeah,
Right,
absolutely. Well, the education initiative is so important to us as an organization, and also to the community. There are so many companies here in the Break Bulk and Project
right,
Cargo community that really feel so passionately
right,
about, encouraging the next generation
right,
to join the industry. And here you
right,
are.
right. That's
Yeah,
right.
it's so,
I
so great. So tell me, what did you, what was your favorite thing about what you experienced at Education Day today?
I mean, I was able to connect with one of my mentors who I've been following him for almost about a decade now. And by name Stéphane Berninet. I think you may have known him, the project manager in charge of CMA CGM, the special cargo unit. And I just meeting him alone, I mean, brings me the joy because the euphoria. He's the reason why I am who I am today. Because I had the passion for Breakbulk at a very tender age. At the age of 4, I walk out of the house and see people load lumber, and I ask them, how did they do this? With curiosity. Now it's my career. From curiosity, I then attained a career in that industry. So I've been following him, and I told him that. I mean, I just shook hands with him, told him that you have really inspired me. And with his videos and with his articles online that I read, I was exceptionally able to execute a breakbulk cargo shipment right from the ports of Tamar up until Takoradi Port, all by myself. And it really brought that joy in the eyes of my boss, who was at the freight console by then. He was like, how did you do this? I said, I did this simply because I followed someone, a genius person in the industry and an expert for that matter. So I told him all that, and he was like, Abdul, I think we need you in the industry. You have the passion. I said, yes. He said, okay, I'm going to connect you to Muhammad, and there you can have your internship, hopefully next year. And I'm so excited about it.
So when does your internship start?
Hopefully in 2025.
Excellent,
Right.
excellent. Well, congratulations,
Thank you so
Abdul. We're
much.
so,
So
so happy for you.
I'm humbled to be here, and I thank you so much. This wouldn't have been possible without your help and assistance too, because you said, "Come in." You gave me the opportunity, and I have to thank you for that.
Well, you are
Right.
welcome. Happy you're here,
Thank
and
you.
I expect to see you back next year.
I would see you, and I would be your silent marketer also.
I
Spread
love
this
it.
to most of my peers in school and get them on board too. Thank you,
Wonderful.
and
Thank you
thanks for
so
having me.
much.
Have a good one.
All right.
Thank you.